All right, so now we need to print a copy. We've chosen the right type of picture from video one. We need to find a way to print these. Or actually, for students, you're going to download them and turn them in. Some schools, the students will print them themselves. They have access to a network printer. At my school, they submit them to me on Canvas, and then I look at them and then choose and see if they're fine, grade them, and then print them. Here's how you do that, students. So let's say that I want this saber-toothed tiger. If you click on it, you're going to get into a web page and you're going to get into a nightmare. Don't left click. Right click and get the context menu and open the image in a new tab. It'll open up right up here. Right click, save image as. Put your name on here. Now look, mine's going to save into my downloads and I'm going to put my name, Jeremy Woodchick Saber Tooth Tiger. I want to have that on there. Save. And then you're going to either submit that. Now, teachers, when you open this up, drag it up into a tab in this one. This is how I do it. Some of you are going to have a much better method for printing these. So this is just my way of doing it. What I do is I just load it into Google and I'll drag it into a tab. And I will just go Control P to print. Okay, I'm going to probably, this one would be best landscape, so turn the paper sideways. And, whoops, probably need to load this in. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so what you'll be doing is you'll be getting it from your downloads folder. So teachers, when you've got the file, just drag it up in here as a tab in here, and you can see it has the student's name and everything that they turned in for you. Control P to print it. Sorry about that. And this one's going to be best landscape. And then you go down here and you see I've beefed it up. It was 100 by default. So go to scale. It's going to be at default. Go to custom. And what you're going to do is just keep creeping this up. The maximum on here is going to be 200. We want it as big as possible. Sorry about that. You can hear it printing in the background. And then once you have it, we want to make sure. Now, if you need to make it smaller, you can like keep creeping this down until it fits. But this one seems to be good at 200, which is the maximum. We want them as big as possible so students have large shapes instead of small ones. And then we're just going to click print. And the cool thing about this is if you noticed, when we printed it, I also have this option selected, headers and footers. And see, because the students put their name on the file, it'll automatically put their name on the printout. And so here, this has printed. And you can see here it is, and the student's name and the name of the animal is right up here, and we have a printout. And then you're going to give them this. Sometimes, if you're going to go crazy, make a copy of these before you hand them out. So if they get lost or the student screws up on it, they'll have a backup copy of it. Thanks.